Good morning, YouTube and my followers. Thank you if you watch this. I'm trying to go for a walk. The deep, or the snow is real kind of deep, and they don't clear here in the park. So I'm gonna try to head for the river there. There's see those? See those marks? Those are skidoo trails. That's what I'm walking on. I think they made a path here on the skidoo trails. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. It's pretty deep. It's hard to walk. Oh, there. Here, I'll switch it over. No, I'll show you. See, they make paths, the skidoos. So it's easy to walk if they go down the path. And see the river over there? Hasn't frozen yet. It's still nice and clear. See? It's still open water. But I don't want to go down there because I'll just get tired because the snow is kind of deep there. See the river? There's me. So I'm just going to continue walking on the path they made. The skidoo. Yeah. And it's snowing. It started snowing as soon as I got out here. Yeah. Yeah, not too much around today. Oops. Sorry. There. There's a better view of the river there. It's still open. And it starts snowing when I start walking here. Jeez, eh? Look at that. You see that? That. A dog. They came and used the bathroom there. Yellow snow. That old saying, don't eat yellow snow. I'm just rambling. But it's a nice day. It's like minus 12. And it's snowing nice. Yeah, it's nice. Can you hear that? I don't know if you could pick that up. You hear that? What is that? A monster. Hope it doesn't come get me. There's just crying in the back there. Yeah. Oh, it's gone now. It's not behind me. No, there's nothing behind me. Nothing ahead of me. No. I'm safe. There it is again. Uh-oh. I better get on my walk. Yeah, I enjoy walking, and even in the winter I walk. Cold doesn't bother me. As long as you dress warm, see. I got this jacket, I got a sweater, I got my mitts, my toque, and I got my boots down there. So I'm dressed warm enough. Yeah. This is just the beginning of winter. This is only November, what? November, what is it? 14th? Yeah, November 14th today. Yeah. Yeah. Whoever watches this, I thank you very much. Okay. See the tree there? Oh, I'm gonna get a workout today walking in this snow. Yeah. There's the train bridge up ahead, and there's the panoramic view. Just joking. I have to pick up the space, or the pace, the space. Yeah, I have to start walking a little faster. Yeah. That's so peaceful walking. You hear something, but just like that noise we heard. I don't know what it was. Yeah, just me walking. I don't know how long my video will be today. I think I'll just walk there a little further. Oh, yeah, they made a path here. I'll just keep walking on this path. See this path? Right here. The skidoo path. That's nice they made this path. See that bridge there? That's the way I usually go, but I don't think nobody went on it. That's why I went this way. And see, I'm going downhill now a little bit. Downhill. Here's those dried up grass and that. And that side dried up grass, see? Oh. Now I have to go up the hill, look. Up a little hill. Oh, that's okay. Oh. Hope it's not slippery. No, it's not slippery. Just have to climb up. There. There, I'm there. I made it. There. There's the bridge over there. Right there. This big tower. Must be I don't know, a phone tower maybe. Yeah. See how tall it is? A view again. Panoramic view. There. Okay. I don't know if I should take any more for today. Wait. Okay, there's the other side. And there's me just walking in the snow. Just about up to the train bridge. Or under the bridge too. Snowing a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Not very much. I'll keep going up to the bridge, I guess. Then, when I'm under the bridge, that'll be my video, I guess. I'll switch again. There. There I am. Oh. I was going to show you the flag, but I can't find it now. Oh, there it is. See it peeking there? It's peeking out through the little trees there. Yeah, it's nice and quiet. Yeah. Peaceful. I'm just happy. Yeah, happy to be alive. Oh, some snow went in my mouth. Tried to choke me. Hey, there's the flag. See the flag? There's the train bridge. That's all I'm gonna go. So I have to go that way now. I'll go that way. Yeah. Okay. Thanks to anybody watching my videos. Thank you. Okay. Have the rest of the good Saturday. Okay. Bye.